So here are a few things that happened in Montego Bay, Jamaica recently or will be happening soon. From road improvements to a new tourism strategy, Montego Bay is up for revamp on every level. Let's start with road work. A section of Montego Bay's Cooke Boulevard will be closed to accommodate repairs. Repairs will be done to the bridge in the vicinity of Bay West Shopping Center and Harmony Beach Park. This is the bridge that I stand on every time I show you the Harbour City Shopping Center construction site from the North Gully side. Just before you get to Harmony Beach Park. Closure is expected to last for 6 weeks and they were hoping to begin on August 17, 2022. I wish they started early on this project because school will open up soon and the traffic is going to be terrible. But according to Janelle Ricketts, Community Relations Officer for NWA's office, that's National Work Agency, the reason that they didn't start earlier is because we have not fully finalized all that is needed. We now have to take into consideration some of these issues. And so we are planning to use radio, television, social media, as well as print media to get the information across. As a result of the closure, vehicles coming from Fairview that want to go to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard or Top Road will have to turn on Market Street and then drive along Harbour Street. To make accommodation for this change in the flow of traffic, no parking will be allowed on Harbour Street during this time. Motorists are encouraged to use alternate routes that allow drivers to avoid the downtown area, of course, once they are familiar with said route. Now, what do you think about the timing of this project? I already told you guys what I think. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. On to the next story. Could this actually help? There is an operation underway in Montego Bay to restore public order. They call it Restoring Paradise, a public order reset. It started in the early hours of August 15 and is expected to last for 14 days. It is led by the JCF, JDF, and the St. James Municipal Corporation in collaboration with many other agencies. According to this quote in the JIS article, we will not only be targeting rogue taxi operators and the illegal street vendors, we will also be looking at other enforcement activities such as persons who have not been paying their taxes, persons with illegal light and water connections, and persons who continue to violate health and safety standards. After the 14 days, they will do an assessment at which point they will decide on whether or not they will continue the operation for 6 months or more. A 2-island package deal for your vacation? What? Jamaica and the Cayman Islands are thinking about collaborating in a number of areas to include a multi-destination tourism strategy, improvement in border protocols, airspace, airlift, and building resilience. This is amidst the Cayman Airways restarting their weekly service between Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay and Grand Cayman. This type of collaboration will definitely add another layer to the regional tourism product offerings. Do you agree? Yeah, I think so. Now, this was revealed by Honorable Edmund Bartlett, Minister of Tourism, at a meeting with a special delegation from Cayman, which included Deputy Premier and Minister of Finance and Economic Development, Honorable Christopher Saunders, and Honorable Kenneth Bryan, Minister of Tourism and Transport for Cayman. This will be followed up with another meeting in Cayman next month with the International Air Transport Association. According to the Ministry of Tourism's website, Minister Bartlett said he is ready to work with Cayman to sign a memorandum of understanding in relation to multi-destination tourism, adding that Jamaica has already signed 4 similar agreements with Cuba, Dominican Republic, Mexico, and Panama. Do you think this new tourism strategy is a good move? Let me know what you think in the comments section. Now, before we move on, I saw these for rent and for sale signs in the Ironshore area in July and just thought that I would share this information with you. Okay, and then this one is now on to Harbour City Shopping Centre. Information on the Harbour City Shopping Centre has been shared on several property rental websites. As you know, it is located on Howard Cooke Boulevard. It's right between Harmony Beach Park and the Sagicor Complex. The new shopping center will have over 200 parking spaces, most of which can be found on the 3rd and 4th floors. It has the highway on one side and the beautiful Caribbean Sea on the other. I showed you the view from that side in another video, and you can check that out after this one. Now, which view would you prefer if you were to rent one of these units? The highway view or the coastal view? Let me know. Now, there will be staircases and elevators, but I see no mention of an escalator on the building, which I know a few of you were looking forward to. The construction seems to be progressing well, and if you want to see how that has been going, you can check out my entire playlist. I have been tracking the construction progress since last year, giving you updates every month. Tourism is helping Jamaica's economy to recover. This was even more evident in the second quarter of 2022, with the economy growing by 5.7% between April and June this year, when compared to data from this time last year. The report from the Planning Institute of Jamaica shows a 55.4% increase in real value for hotels and restaurants and a 110% increase in foreign national arrivals for the period between April and May this year compared to last year. That means an increase in foreign exchange earnings for businesses and the country overall. Hopefully, this continues. So that's it for this week of Learn With Me. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, leave an apple in the comment section, and many thanks for your support. If you enjoy this kind of content, leave a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. Stay blessed. See you in the next one.